I'm gonna make ป่นมะเขืออันนี้เป็นมะเขือแล้วก็เฮาใส่ปลาทูส่วนผงมันมี pepper garlic onion this is chicken broth for chicken flavor Padek and น้ำปลา okay so and this is green onion and cilantro okay so let's cook with me I will show you how to do it I'm gonna do the pepper first so you like to put in a stick like this go ahead alternate the color then you color go ahead put the pepper like that in the stick put the my little grill here then I'm gonna go ahead start my onion oh let me go ahead put the eggplant in the pot first you wanna boil the water very hot like this and put the eggplant in and then while I wait for that to cook I go ahead get the onion and cilantro ready okay then I will put the bowl here for right now and I go ahead mix my vegetable together because they go in the same time then I have a fish here okay that's enough okay after the eggplant is soft right now and then I'll go ahead add Padek okay and let it cook just a little bit more I keep like about 5 more minutes okayวันนี้เขาก็มาเริ่มตำเอามะเขือลงก่อนมะเขือตำเข้าไปตำมะเขือCharlotte go ahead use now that I'm done I go ahead break a piece and put in here like that go ahead put in there just like that and then taman this flavor chicken broth in my eggplant it's very easy guys very easy and simple food put a little bit of the broth that I boil eggplant with that Padek in a little bit not too much okay you put too much it become pon you don't want it you want it more like thick a little bit this is done Okay it's finished อันนี้มันป่นมะเขือ Eat with the sticky rice Thank you for watching I see you in my next video Bye